Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create a LinkedIn account. Alright, but before we begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. As you can see here on my screen, I have pulled up my video description, and in there you see a section where it says Amazon Deals. It has an Amazon Prime trial link. Go ahead and click on that link to learn how you can save hundreds of dollars from shopping on Amazon. All right, try it out, and if you don't like it, just go ahead and cancel. It's completely free. Now let's get back to your video. To create a LinkedIn account, you first have to download a LinkedIn app like I have here. You can see it right there. If you don't know how to do it, check my video description. I have a video that shows how to download the Amazon app. But anyways, once you have downloaded, go ahead and open the app. And when you open it for the first time, you should see a screen like this. When you see this, click on where it says Join Now. And the first thing that it will do, will ask you for your email. So let's go ahead and put in my email. At gmail.com, and I'll click on continue, and I'll create my password. Let's say I want to do password 1 2 3 exclamation mark, and then ask my first name. Let's make it KahindoTech. And I'll just say Inc. So you put in your first and last name and click on agree and join. And it's gonna do its thing. Just do a quick security check. All right, please solve this puzzle so we know you are a real person. Pick the image that is in the correct way up. Ooh, so this one. All right, and it's asking, would you like to send, LinkedIn would like to send you notifications. I'll allow it. And then ask for my, and you can see that right there. It just sent me a confirmation email. So usually for stuff like that, you really want to just go ahead and confirm, because they usually prevent you from doing some things when you haven't confirmed your email yet. So I'll click over here where it says confirming, and then I'll click on confirm your email, and there you go. That's all you have to do, really. Let's go back to the app. Oops. There. That's how you can create a LinkedIn account. As you can see, it's very easy. But if you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime trial. It's free. If you don't like it, go ahead and cancel, and you stand to save hundreds of dollars, okay? Thank you for watching the video.